Welcome back. Auto drivers in the city are violating Article 16P of the Motor Vehicle Act by refusing the passengers on hire. Venkatesh Nayak reports.
Auto rickshaw driver Imtiaz accepts 9 customers and refusing to go for hire and explains his reasons for
वापस आने के लिए सवारी नहीं मिलता, इसलिए है ना थोड़ा जाने को लॉन्ग जाने को थोड़ा हम है ना बैक मारते हैं और थोड़ा एक्स्ट्रा पूछते हैं.
Joint Commissioner for Transport, Mr. H.G. Kumar, feels that auto rickshaw drivers should be more people friendly.
The auto rickshaw drivers need to be more people friendly. They have to carry passengers irrespective of the distance.
But the commuters seem to be ignorant. Do you travel in auto rickshaws?
Yeah.
Have you ever been denied a ride by the auto rickshaw drivers?
Many times.
Many times, right? Do they also charge extra?
Yeah, they charge it.
Okay. Are you aware of the Section 16P of the Motor Vehicles Act? Have you ever been denied a ride by the auto rickshaw guys?
Yeah, most of the time when I was in school, whenever I used to tell them my area, they usually refused to come there. And most of the time they charge extra cash also. So that's the most.
Okay. Are you aware of the Section 16P which actually prevents these auto rickshaw drivers from doing this? Ever been denied a ride by the auto rickshaw guys?
Yeah, and they charge me extra, nothing 1.5.
1.5. Huh? Alright. Are you aware of the Section 16P under the Motor Vehicles Act? Alright. Have you ever been denied a ride by the auto rickshaw driver?
Every single day actually.
Every single day.
Victoria Hospital is disposing biomedical waste by burning it inside the hospital premises. Yelamanda Reddy brings you more on this.
The hospital premises at KR Market is in a deplorable condition because of unhygienic disposal of biomedical waste. The authorities of Victoria Hospital, who refuse to come on camera, blame it on the cleaners not following the directions. The government notified the Biomedical Waste Rules 1998 in exercise of powers confined under Section 6, 8 and 25 of the Environmental Act 1986. According to the rules, the ounce of treatment of biomedical waste squarely lies with the occupier who is generating the waste.
Environment Minister announced on Thursday that India will cut carbon emission by 25%. But this has not gone down too well with the environmentalists who are not confident of Indians negotiating at the Copenhagen, which is going to be held later this week. A press release by the Centre of Science and Environment says that Indian government targets will be used by richer nations to change the terms of global climate agreements. This report is brought to you by our correspondents Shravya and Sandeep.
Unless we have a consensus, the targets given by the minister will be an illusion.
It will be disastrous for us as global emissions will rise and put millions of Indians at risk.
It's a time for a short break now. News and update will continue. Stay tuned. Welcome back, and now it's time for a business report. One of the Asia's leading business publication, Far Eastern Review, came out with its final edition last week. Reports by Wall Street Journal and Reuters say that the sales had fallen due to the Asia's financial downturn and staff was told to leave. 63-year-old publication had been left with less than 12,000 subscribers across Europe, Asia and United States. After a series of meetings to draft a set of guidelines on the goods and services tax norms, the Bangalore Chambers of Industry and Commerce is still struggling to come to a conclusion. They will conduct another meeting at the end of this month with the Department of the State Finance. Kunal Mawani reports.
We, as Krishnan, Commissioner of Central Excise and Service Tax, presented the whole dynamics of GST and put forward the positive sides of the new GST.
Service sector, which is being taxed now at about 10 now, may go to 16. With both center and state taxing at 8 maybe. So you are going to have a situation in which the incidence of taxation is going to come down on industry. Trucks which were bringing goods within 10 days turnaround time will now do it in 5 days because barriers to interstate trade will come down. The turnaround will be much faster.
But the members of Bangalore's Chamber of Industry and Commerce are still confused.
Is it going to be an exclusive definition or an inclusive definition? I'm unable to understand how we are going to define that. Or are we not going to have any definition at all? If we had looked at the discussion paper, there are two classes of exemptions that were talked about. The discussion paper says there will be a small list of exemptions. Now what is the small list of exemptions that we are talking of? Is it going to be state specific or is it going to be probably a common exemption list from which some state or the center can pick up?
Even the consumers put forward their demand as how the ministry could help them.
Value of stock transfer is stupendous. If you ask me to pay 16% on stock transfers, I can tell you really can't afford it. We recommended not to break the chain of GST, levy a 1% nominal GST or nominal IGST.